Debbie Fobb, the principal at Queen of the Apostles School, and Dan the Juggler was amazing. You have to get him to come to your event.
Did you guys like the show today? Yeah. What was your favorite part? Well, that's the more important question. Did your teacher like the show?
Oh, yeah, it was amazing.
What'd you like best about it?
I think my favorite would have been the unicycle.
Did the presenter do a good message?
Oh yeah, you were great.
All right, thank you.
Definitely.
Hello everybody, I am Dan Kirk, the juggler with the yellow shoes. I would love to come to your school and provide assemblies for your students. I travel all over. I've done assemblies in Wisconsin, Minnesota, Illinois, Indiana, Ohio, Arizona, Georgia, and I've probably missed a few states in there. Love to come visit you. We can set something up where I can visit a bunch of schools, or if you're in Wisconsin, Illinois, or even Iowa, I can just bop over and do one assembly. If that's what you'd like, let's talk about it.
What'd you think of the program today?
It was awesome. It was awesome.
Who are you?
I'm Peter Smith, the principal of St. Francis Xavier School.
All right, and where are we today? What city?
We are in Dyersville, Iowa.
Woo!
Field of Dreams.
Field of Dreams.
Yeah.
We're still dreaming.
We're still. Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah, you're
I have a Truth About Drugs assembly program that's available for K2. I do a little different assembly for 3-5, and I have another one for 6-8. I do the Science of Juggling. That's a great one for K6 elementary level. It's the Science of Juggling, but I also do character development in that show. I have a program called Reading is Grand. I bring some books, share books that help me as a performer. I juggle, I entertain, and I speak. So I'm a juggler and a speaker, entertainer, all wrapped into one cool package. I've been performing full-time since 1993. Love to visit you. What's another program that I do? Very popular, my Stop Bullying presentation. Some serious talk with some true stories, and then some fun juggling in there as well. Stop Bullying. If you just need a fun program, I can do a fun program just for fun, and family night events. I would love to do that for you guys as well. Look me up, dankirk.com. And I've got videos online on YouTube. Check out my channel, Dan Kirk Juggler. And check out some educational videos, and I have some instructional how to juggle stuff on there as well. School, 50 students, 500 students. I've done it. I've done over 1,000 students in one group. I'd rather have you divide into a couple groups though if you've got that many, but I can be there. Check out my themes on my website, dankirk.com. Click on the schools area. The students are starting to make their way in. I'll do some yo-yo tricks for them when they're getting ready and seated. You can have your students sit on the floor for elementary. I recommend bleachers for middle school and up. They have their bleachers all pulled out and ready to go, so we'll put them on there and be good. I bring everything I need to put on a great show. I just need some electricity from you to plug into. I have all my own sound, my own props, my own table. If you got any questions, though, let me know. If I ask a question and I don't tell you to raise a hand, you can shout out an answer and be quiet again. Can you do that? Yeah! Excellent. Perfect. Just like that. I will use some volunteers in my show today. If you want to be a helper, when I ask, stay seated, have a hand up, give me a smile, be nice and quiet, and maybe you'll get picked. So I want to have some fun here today, too. All right. What is a drug over here? What do you think?
I think it's a thing that makes you crazy.
It's a thing that makes you crazy. So my wife is a drug. Thought they'd get a chuckle. What is a drug? Then you gotta move on. Okay, I'm talking to myself. All right, here we go. Right about now. Knock those out of there. Whenever you're ready to go ahead, you are so What grade are you guys in over here? Third grade. You know, there's strong and brave third graders like this guy. I'm gonna take him.
Thank you.